In 2010, that's the case right there. In 2010, I blew the whistle on y'all. All right, ABC2 got this. Carrion. All right, ABC2 got this. Mark Marion, Christian Schaefer, Jane Miller, Barry Sims, Adam May, Kai Jackson, Mary Mubala. The media have been protecting this. Like I said, I blew the whistle on February 11th, 2011. I was locked up after I blew the whistle. I'm a whistleblower. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist. And these are the cases. I'm refiling this paperwork with the state of Maryland, Baltimore City, because I'm a Baltimore City resident. Peter Francott got this. Delegate Stephanie Smith got this. Eric Barron got this. City, county, state, and federal levels. We're talking about the money you make off the prison industry. The money behind the machine. That's Braveheart. That's Marilyn Mosby and the cover-up crew. All right? We don't want no misunderstandings about nothing. That's Hassan Giordano right there. That's Hassan Giordano. You talk about regulators. We talking about the property. Well, we talking about John Cartons, Brian Frost, and the man behind the machine, Hassan Giordano. Hassan Giordano know all about this. He know all about this, but they won't open their mouth. I got something else you know all about. That's a movie release. That's a film producer. And the movie was about the judges and the lawyers and the politicians that get paid off the war on drugs. The new face of old Jim Crow, Scott Shellenberger, Judge Holland, Judge O'Malley, Judge Turnbull, Judge Pearson, Judge Bridges, Judge Rossetti. I put it in the book. I'm a whistleblower on the judiciary. You feel me? You go to the United States Senate and get this information from Senator Cardin's office. You get it from Congressman Cummings' office, Kwesi Mfume's office, Sarbanes' office. I'm a whistleblower on the courts. Get it from Marilyn Mosby's office. State of Illinois versus Dwayne Davis in 2007. State of Maryland versus Dwayne Davis in 2011. Michael Waller, Michael Nearham, Greg Bernstein, Judge Rossetti. You feel me? Judge Turnbull, Scott Shellenberger, Chief Johnson, Sheriff Fisher, Public Defender, Kamenetz. Y'all got this. It's Baltimore, Rewired, the money behind the machine. We talking about the new face of old Jim Crow. If you want a way out of your situation, you're going to have to snitch. That's the Honorable Judge Carrion, all right? Circuit Court, Baltimore City. I'm getting ready to refile this paperwork. They told me certified mail is requested. So here go the certified mail right here. And this is what I'm sending them. Contact Peter Francott. He has the criminal charges. Delegate Stephanie Smith as well. And we talking about this. Get Shorty. Like I said, I'm sending this to the court. I'm a whistleblower. Exposing Scott Shellenberger. That's 2021, December 2021. The ACLU. Senator Van Hollen's office. You feel me? These individuals that got this. The emails. City Council President. You see who got this? Natalia Barakis. Nicole Hansen. Nicole Hansen from Out for Justice. You feel me? Y'all got this. Whitley Duckley. State House. Runners for Justice. You see who got this? Dear Attorney Eric Barron, this letter was emailed to you 12/21/2021. Sarah Marquette. She knowingly destroyed my whistleblower's application submitted in 2015. All right? That's People versus Davis, 1986. Like I said, I'm submitting this to the judge. If you deny you know me on earth, or you deny you know me in heaven, these are false charges that the state filed against me in 2008. I never got a trial for this. This shows the corruption in the courts. The false charges. Same way that y'all going after Mosby for filing false papers with the court, you got to go after Shellenberger for filing these false papers with the court. That's Get Shorty. That's Vicki Lawrence. That's Governor Schaefer and Sam Cassell. That's Greg Bernstein, attorney, Baltimore City. This is 2014. Like I said, Circuit Court, I'm a whistleblower. And I'm turning this all over to the judge again. That's Greg Bernstein, to testify in front of a federal grand jury to discuss the charges against Governor O'Malley and the corruption in the courts concerning the prison industry. That's Scott Shellenberger. That's Mayor Moxley. That's Chief Hyatt in the state prosecutor's office. That's President Trump. That's Johnny Oleski. And that's Marilyn Mosby, State Attorney Marilyn Mosby. Marilyn Mosby got to produce this or she can be a defendant. She worried about that taxes and that money? Well, this is more important than that. Her office has been shielding the corruption in the courts since 2016. It's the cover-up crew. And like I said, I got it in a book. It's the cover-up crew. That's States Attorney Mosby. That's James Miller. We're going to show you the role the media plays in misinformation. Because if you go to President Barack Obama, he asked for the investigation. I'm the subject of the investigation. That's Scott Shellenberger. He got evidence. All right? He got evidence. Governor Hogan has evidence. Mayor Pugh has evidence. Mayor Stephanie Rawlings Blake has evidence. Eric Holder, the Department of Justice. Like I said, Baltimore City. There we go. The mail receipts. From slave to criminal was one amendment, the 13th Amendment. And we talking about Marilyn Mosby, the movie. You feel me? I'm the producer, the director, the script writer. I'm holding all 4 seats now. A movie about Governor Hogan and the money you make off the prison industry. J. Edgar Hoover has asked what is his opinion was the single greatest threat in the U.S. He responded, Negro unity. If blacks got together, white America can't do nothing. This is J. Edgar Hoover, and I was tied these people together. The war on drugs is a war on the black community, and the FBI got to address that. That's Kwesi Mfume. That's T.J. Smith, and that's Theroux. And this is my war room. This is where I created everything that I got. And it's going to send a lot of y'all to jail. Because like I said, I'm a whistleblower making a movie. See the toilet? See Mr. Clean? America is a police state for a black man. This is to prove I was making a movie. The state took this property and they destroyed it. All right? Your courts and your president and Scott Shellenberger. All right? That's Scott Shellenberger. Thanks for using the toilet. That's Vanessa Attenberry. She has evidence and knowledge. She has evidence and knowledge, and she's looking at it right there. That paper she has needs to be turned over to Judge Carrion. It needs to be turned over to the Department of Justice. You have evidence and knowledge of corruption, and you've been silent since you got it. I got a political graveyard, a political toilet graveyard. Got 52 toilets for 52 politicians that wanted to protect Governor O'Malley. I went home on vacation. I came back on probation. Now y'all hear me call mic check. That's Theroux. And that's the courts. Community in crisis. Yeah, Fox 45 got this. We talk about racism. Racism don't work without black cooperation. That's Adrian Jones. That's Stephanie Smith. No, that's Adrian Jones, Vanessa Attenberry, and Stephanie Smith. 3 black women that protect white supremacy. Y'all doing salt boxes? I'm doing salt boxes too. Salt boxes in the city. God bless America. I got the 2021 Weaver Award. All right, went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. And it's a time to pee. That's Omar from The Wire. And this is about Scott Shellenberger. Scott Shellenberger's NAFON. Blacks, Hispanics have no constitutional rights in Baltimore County judicial system. And these are the cases. Maryland and Illinois. Y'all got to give me a trial. Tyrone West. I'm an advocate. I'm an activist. That's Mad City. Ask him about me. Shorty's Bootleg Barbecue. It's art and activism. Like I said, I'm the 2021 Weaver Award winner. And we're talking about our community that we fighting for. I put it in a book. That's Mayor Pugh and Shorty. That's David Robinson and Shorty. And that's the Minority Report and Shorty. Potty training politicians. That's Shorty's. That's Shorty's. We talking about the criminalization of poverty. Karen York will tell you about that. Like I said, I'm without for justice. And it ain't going to be just us in 2022. A federal and state audit. We're going to file a class action lawsuit against Marilyn Mosby in the state of Maryland. A class action lawsuit. Everything that Scott Shellenberger had since 2006 going to be reversed and remanded because the state got to go up, has to pull an audit. We're going to show you where you lied to the grand jury, presented false evidence to the grand jury. And we're going to show you how you've been protecting it since 2014. Job Opportunity Task Force and Shorty. You feel me? I'm fighting for my kids. I'm an activist. I'm not a clown. I'm an honorably discharged veteran. I took an oath to defend my country against all terrorists, foreign and domestic. Baltimore City Police Department is domestic terrorists. I'm with the Baltimore Orioles. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play. You feel me? You feel me? I got a book, and that's Fox 45. That's Governor O'Malley and Shorty. I want you to remove Shorty from this event. Y'all been telling the police to remove me from all these events. You removed me from the Biden events when President Biden came. Y'all keep removing me, but you can't stop me. Governor O'Malley makes millions and millions of dollars off of black bodies. A $13 billion class action lawsuit. It's the Crown Awards. See who he is? That's Shorty. We talking about civil rights, the Bill of Rights, the right to property, the right to make a movie. Letters Design is my intellectual property. Letters Design is my intellectual property. And it's about Governor Hogan, Mayor Pugh, Boyd B. Rutherford. And we're going to talk about the money that Yummy been making since she came into office. We're going to follow the money that Yummy been making. Governor Hogan. Like I said, I'm a whistleblower. And this is my family. They will congratulate a person doing the same thing as you, just not you, cause it's you. My mother died February the 2nd, 2011. I blew the whistle. I dedicated this to my mother. I gave y'all a toilet, been giving y'all's toilets because Baltimore is the city of shitty. The shittiest city in America. That's Paul Weinblatt. He's a defendant. He laundered money and he need to go to jail. That's my granddaughter, Dania. Her father did that. I'm the king of talking shit, and I can back it up. I can back it up. I'm the king of talking shit in Baltimore. And like I said, this is the end of the book. Facebook pass. Honorable Judge Audrey D. Corrin. Marilyn Mosby. Freedom of Information Act. Release all material to the voters through Fox 45. Y'all can't protect Governor O'Malley's mom machine. Y'all can't protect the criminalization of poverty. You feel me? Because I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. That's parole. That's the Department of Corrections. All right? The Department of Corrections. TV interview. Whistleblower status. All right? Whistleblower status. Y'all got to give me that documentary. Jeremy Stemick in Illinois, Judge Phillip took a $40,000 payoff. Linda Dodge, parole and probation. Mr. McGee has the file that. All right? That's Peter Raskin. He was Senator Raskin, and now he's in the office. Like I said. All right? Cannon Building. Peter Raskin. You see the names? Insurance Incorporated. Got everything documented. Shorty documentary. That's James Calabrese, State Prosecutor's Office. All evidence and material used for case number 143025. Common law crimes of misconduct. All witnesses interviewed. Testimony given to Mr. Calabrese. Filed charges against Scott Shellenberger. That's your State Prosecutor's Office. That's Kai Jackson, Karen Parks, and Stephen Janis from Fox 45. All right? That's David Giles from Script. And that's my Department of Justice number. Marilyn Mosby got this. Scott Shellenberger got this. I'm getting ready to refile this. Refiling this one. The new face of old Jim Crow. You got thousands of cases going to be reversed and remanded. A $13 billion class action lawsuit from 2006 to 2022. Y'all said you want to end the corruption? That's what we're going to do. Mic check.